Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Biochemistry Insights by Dr. Mashita Pise. That's me. The mystery behind coffee crash. This is our subject for today's video. Have you ever felt supercharged after a cup of coffee? Only to suddenly feel like someone unplugged your battery. That strange drop is called a coffee crash. But why does something that boosts you also betray you? Let's decode the biochemistry behind this everyday mystery in this episode of Biochemistry Insights. One moment you are conquering your to do list like a superhero, and the next your brain feels foggy, your mood dips, and your body begs for another coffee cup. These symptoms aren't random, they are your cells signaling a biochemical power outage. So, dear friends, a coffee crash is the sudden onset of fatigue, drowsiness that occurs when the stimulating effects of a coffee wears off. Symptoms include fatigue and low energy, headache, irritability or low mood, difficulty in concentrating and brain fog, drowsiness and cravings for more caffeine. Now let's understand what's the mechanism behind the coffee crash. Inside your brain, caffeine acts like a mischievous trickster, blocking the chemical adenosine that normally makes you feel sleepy. So, adenosine is something that puts you into sleep. Your neurons get excited, your heart beats faster, and your body thinks it's party time. But once the caffeine wears off, all that blocked adenosine comes crashing in at once. The boom, the crash begins. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine receptors, which are the brain's natural sleep inducing chemicals. This makes you feel more alert and delays fatigue. When people experience a crash, 2 to 4 hours later, changes in hormones, blood sugar, hydration cause this crash. But who is the real villain? It's a mix of hormone imbalance, sudden shifts in blood sugar, and dehydration. Your liver pumping glucose like an emergency generator. When these biochemical systems overshoot or run out, you feel the slump. So let's understand this. How caffeine affects stress hormones. Caffeine stimulates adrenal glands, increasing the release of adrenaline and noradrenaline. Yes, our own fight or flight hormone. Now, this creates a temporary surge in alertness, focus, energy. After hormone level drop, body feels depleted, tiredness and irritability sets in. Caffeine triggers the liver to release stored glucose, leading to a quick blood sugar spike, followed by a sharp dip crash. More severe when coffee is taken on an empty stomach or consumed with sugar or sweetened drinks. That's we normally do. We take coffee in a sweetened form. Crash leads to fatigue, hunger, and mood swings. Caffeine also has a diuretic effect. Caffeine increases urine output, can cause mild dehydration if water intake is low, and dehydration symptoms worsen coffee crash, like headache, fatigue, difficulty in concentrating. All this can be a symptom of dehydration as well. Hydration is essential to minimize crash severity. Now let's understand the combined effect. The biochemical plot twist. Here is the twist. Your body trains itself The more coffee you take, the more adenosine receptors your brain creates, like adding more doors just to let sleepiness in. That means you need more coffee for the same kick, and the crash gets louder. Why the crash feel intense? So there are three factors: hormone drop, blood sugar dip, and dehydration. And these three results in sudden tiredness, brain fog, irritability, reduced productivity. You feel like drinking more coffee. More caffeine only delays the cycle. So this is how it works in a combined manner. So is coffee the enemy? Not at all. Coffee is powerful, but understanding its biochemistry helps you use it smartly. The secret isn't avoiding coffee, it's knowing your body reacts. And once you master that, you can enjoy your caffeine without the dreaded crash. Now, how to reduce the caffeine crash? Stay hydrated. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of water with every cup of coffee you take. Avoid drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Pair caffeine with protein bar, fiber to stabilize blood sugar. Limit sugary coffee drinks. Choose lower caffeine options like tea or having smaller servings. So, the next time your coffee powers you up and then powers you down, you will know it's not magic, it's simple biochemistry. Understand it, and you can control the crash, not the other way around. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode of Biochemistry Insights. Bye bye.